I'm learning that a good night's sleep after you hit 40 is a completely different ballgame. I'm Sarah with WTI, and I want to tell you about this mattress I got from Inofia. My husband and I are very different sleepers, and with our old mattress, we kept each other awake. So it was either find a good mattress or one of us was sofa surfing for the night. What we found truly helpful about this mattress is the motion isolating design. No matter which one of us is tossing and turning, the other one sleeps peacefully. We also both noticed that we weren't getting out of bed with as much pain as our old mattress. Now, we do not have a magical mattress, and we're both getting older, but it was nice to get out with a little less pain and stiffness. It was also nice to have the air cooling technology so neither one of us got too hot. And I love that it has these little straps on the side, so when it comes time to rotate it, it'll be relatively easy. We found this mattress to be very durable. We live in a house with kids and pets, and our bed seems to be the gathering place for all of the family chaos. But because this mattress is made so well, it shows no signs of the abuse that we put it through. So if you're in the market for a mattress that's going to exceed your expectations, then I think you need to look at this one. And that's my point of view.